Today, I am reviewing the Xiaomi Mi Smart Compact Projector. If at any time you'd like to explore this projector for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. Let's begin with the most important part, the image quality. This projector delivers full HD resolution at 1920 by 1080 pixels. That means you get sharp, detailed visuals with vibrant colors that are perfect for watching movies, TV shows, and even gaming. While it may not be 4K, the full HD resolution is more than enough for most people, especially at typical home projection sizes. Now, let's talk brightness. The Xiaomi Mi Smart Compact Projector offers an average brightness of 500 ANSI lumens. While that may sound low compared to high-end cinema projectors, it's quite impressive for a projector this compact. In a dim or dark room, it delivers rich contrast and solid clarity. It's not ideal for use in brightly lit environments, but for home cinema setups, especially in the evening, it performs admirably. One of the standout features of this projector is the totally sealed optical system. This means dust is far less likely to enter the lens or internal components, which can often degrade image quality over time. This sealed system helps maintain clear visuals and extends the life of the projector, an underrated but crucial feature for long-term use. Now, let's talk sound. Many compact projectors fall short in the audio department, but the Xiaomi Mi Smart Compact Projector includes a large integrated sound chamber. This results in audio that is far more immersive than you'd expect from a device of this size. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie or playing a video game, the built-in speakers hold their own without needing an external sound system. That said, you do have the option to connect external speakers if you want to step up your audio experience even further. When it comes to portability and convenience, this projector really shines. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to move from room to room or even take it on the go. Whether you want to use it in your bedroom, living room, or even outdoors for a backyard movie night, the Xiaomi projector is ready to go wherever you need it. It also features digital keystone correction, which allows you to adjust the image to get a perfectly rectangular display, even if the projector isn't placed exactly in the center of the screen. This makes setup incredibly simple and flexible, especially in smaller spaces. Connectivity is another area where this projector delivers. With a USB port and built-in Wi-Fi, you can stream directly from a wide variety of sources. You can connect a USB stick, use a streaming device, or mirror content from your smartphone. The built-in Android system even gives you access to popular streaming apps like Netflix and YouTube, meaning you don't always need to hook it up to an external device. Let's not forget about gaming. While it's not marketed as a dedicated gaming projector, the Xiaomi Mi Smart Compact Projector can handle casual gaming quite well. The input lag is low enough for non-competitive games, and the image quality and sound combine to offer an engaging gaming experience on a big screen. Overall, the Xiaomi Mi Smart Compact Projector is an excellent choice for anyone looking to bring the cinema experience home without spending a fortune or taking up too much space. Its combination of full HD resolution, impressive audio, smart features, and compact design make it a top-tier option in the portable projector category. If you're a movie lover, a binge watcher, or someone who just wants a big screen experience at home or on the go, the Xiaomi Mi Smart Compact Projector is a smart and stylish solution. It punches above its weight in nearly every category.